Strutter, Zero DFX, Winter's Bane. Albums, Ridivivis, Heart of a Killer, Earth. Widdlesworth, Chino Nino, Hoover, Neuwirth, Joseph Arthur. Albums, Our Shadows Will Remain, Come to Where I'm From, Redemption City, Redemption's Son, Nuclear Daydream, more Joseph Arthur. 19 of 27 musicians who would make the best artists, 354 of 543, the best indie bands and artists, 266 of 329, the best Americana bands and artists of all time. Mothersbaugh. Albums, Gioia Mutato, Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, Music for Insomniacs Volume 1, The Sims 2 more. Mothersbaugh. 714 of 816. These poetic geniuses wrote your favorite songs of all time. 230 of 298. The best frontmen in rock. 167 of 200. The ages of 200 rock stars. James Ingram. Albums, It's Real, Stand in the Light, Ricky Lawson and Friends, First Things First, It's You at Night, Never Felt So Good. Allan Coe. Albums, Rebel Meets Rebel, Allan Coe, Lynn-Haired Redneck, Underground Album, Texas Moon, more. Allan Coe, the best Allan Coe albums of all time. 113 of 291. The top country artists of all time. 70 of 215. The greatest classic country and western artists of all time. Devo. Albums, Freedom of Choice, Q, Are We Not Men, A, We Are Devo, Fresh, Whip It, Beauty Now for the Future, more. Devo. 137 of 363 musicians who belong in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. 97 of 139 bands or artists with 5 great albums. 12 of 66 the strangest opening act bookings ever. The Black Keys. Albums, Rubber Factory, Attack and Release, Brothers, El Camino, Big Come Up, more. The Black Keys, the best Black Keys songs. 342 of 1891, the greatest musical artists of all time. 265 of 1728, the best rock bands of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.